Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video I'm going to show you this Foxy eye makeup look, which is all about the eyeliner, the pointy inner corner, which gives this whole eye look a more like a foxy vibe. So the first thing I want to do is go in with this liquid eyeshadow from Giorgio Armani. I will make sure to link all the products I use today in the description bar. And I'm just going to use the applicator of the product itself and just apply it directly on the eyelids. Then once I have applied it, I'm going to kind of smudge it out using a brush. This brush is synthetic, so it's really easy to use for like cream products. But I'm just going over it and just going around the edges to make sure that it nicely fades into my eyelid. And it's just a really easy product to use and I love the color. Then I went in with the NYX Cosmetics Epic Wear Liquid Eyeliner. I feel like this is one of the nicest drugstore liquid eyeliners. I actually thought they would discontinue this eyeliner, but apparently it's still in their collection, which is good because I used to use this a lot back in the days. Then I switched to a different one and now I realized they still have it. And it's actually really nice, super black, easy to use. And the finish is just really nice and black. So it was perfect to use for today's eye look because the focus point of today's eye look is definitely the eyeliner. So I started with a simple line above the lash line, which I always start with whenever I do like my eyeliner. So I'm really focused on making that look as good as possible. And then I'm going to drag a line from the outer portion, kind of following the direction of the tail of my eyebrow. So I'm not going to drag it all the way to the tail of my eyebrow, but I'm just keeping that as a guideline to follow that direction. Then I'm going to kind of connect it, which makes that wing liner. If you do struggle with this, I would suggest to open your eyes in between doing this so you can kind of see how it looks with your eyes open. So it doesn't look weird with open eyes and only look good with closed eyes. Then I filled it in and then I focused on the inner corner. So I wanted to create that pointy inner corner, which gives it that nice foxy vibe, which I really like. I feel like whenever I do wear an eye look like this, it makes my eyes look so much bigger. So then I went in with the infaillible pencil from, I believe this one is from L'Oreal. And I'm going to use this for in the waterline. It's just a nice black pencil for the waterline. So I did want it to go for like a smoky lower lash line. But of course, if you don't want that, you can also go for like a light pencil in your waterline. I went in with this Lancome palette. Like I said, I will link down everything in the description bar. And I used this darkest color that comes in the palette and blend this underneath the lower lash line. So it's not super black, but it is kind of like a smoky color, but not like super black. Then I went in with this mascara from Yves Saint Laurent, which has quite a big mascara wand, but it works actually really nice on the lashes. So I am going to go in with false lashes, so I'm not too focused on making my upper lashes look perfect, since they will be covered up with falsies anyways, but I am trying to make my lower lashes as long as possible. Then I went in with the iconic light lashes from House of Lashes. And I am going to show you like the before and after. I think these lashes are so freaking beautiful. So here's the before and here's the after. And I just absolutely love this lash style. So this is how the eyes are looking. I also filmed what I used like on the rest of my face. I went in with the NYX Cosmetics Marshmellow Primer and just used it all over my face. Then I went in with the Super Stay Foundation from Maybelline. This has like a drippy applicator, so I applied it directly on the face. And then I went in with this makeup brush from It Cosmetics, which is actually really nice because I love buffing brushes. And this has a side which you can use for your concealer, but also a side for your foundation. Then I went in with the It Cosmetics Bye Bye concealer. So I'm using it on all the places where I have some shadows, which is underneath the eyes, the corner of my mouth. So I'm just applying it and then I blend it in with my finger. And then I set it with a little bit of powder and I used a powder which is also from It Cosmetics. Then I went in with the Bye Bye Pores blush. I will put the color that I used in the description bar. I used the nice pinky color, which I personally love pink blush. And then I went in with this L'Oreal liquid lipstick. And it's more like a glossy one. I love this color. So nice for the holidays and it made my lips look super big. So yeah, this is the final result. I felt like this eye look made my eyes look so big. I actually really liked it. Let me know if you're gonna try it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that heart.